Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Grosses-Roches is a small coastal municipality on the south shore of the St. Lawrence River in Quebec's Bas-Saint Laurent region. It is located about 45 kilometers east of Matane along Route 132. The community is part of the Matane area and is surrounded by forests, hills, and the wide waters of the St. Lawrence. Grosses-Roches had a population of about 350 people in the 2021 census. The population has declined significantly over the past several decades, as has happened in many small rural communities in eastern Quebec. Most residents live in the village along the coast, with other homes and properties spread through the surrounding rural area. The name Grosses-Roches means big rocks, referring to large rocks along the shoreline. These rocks were a noticeable feature for people traveling along the coast and eventually gave the community its name. The area began developing as a permanent settlement during the 19th century. Early residents were attracted by access to the river, forests, and land suitable for small-scale agriculture. Fishing quickly became an important part of the local economy, while farming and forestry provided additional sources of food and income. Fishing was especially important because of the community's location directly beside the St. Lawrence. Local fishermen traditionally went after species such as cod, herring, and salmon. The river provided both a source of food and a way to transport people and goods along the coast. Forestry also became a major part of the economy. The forests inland from Grosses-Roches provided timber for local use and for commercial production. For many families, life depended on a combination of fishing, farming, and forestry rather than a single occupation. The traditional economy has changed considerably. Fishing is still part of the regional economy, but there are fewer people working in the industry than in the past. Forestry continues to provide employment, while construction, retail, and tourism are other sources of work. Some residents also commute to Matane and other nearby communities. Tourism is becoming more important for Grosses-Roches because of its location along the St. Lawrence and its rural setting. Visitors are attracted by the coastline, fishing, outdoor recreation, and the scenery of the Bas-Saint Laurent region. The community also provides a useful stop along Route 132 for people traveling the coast. Grosses-Roches is a good example of the small coastal communities that are found throughout eastern Quebec. The river, forests, and rocky shoreline shaped its history, and those same features continue to define the area today. for watching!